Hi, I'm Nicole Go, an application engineer here in Rochester, New York. Today I'll be showing you a Snap 300, part of the Snap family of large field of view digital measuring machines from OGP. Snap uses its unique, fully telecentric large field of view optical system to measure small parts with fine features throughout its expansive depth of field. These specially designed optics, combined with a high-resolution digital metrology camera, produce high-accuracy, low-distortion images. Snap combines large field of view technology with easy-to-use, yet powerful software to make 2D measurements simple and fast. This machine here is a Snap 300, which offers an extended X and Y measuring range to handle a variety of parts. Snap systems are offered in multiple sizes to suit a wide range of measurement needs. 100 and 200 benchtop models are available for applications where full stage of motion is not needed. The floor model Snap 350 provides expansive XY stage travel to measure dimensions of large parts with critical details or numerous small parts at once. Snap measurement systems are designed to measure anywhere, from the shop floor to the lab or as part of an automated work cell. Rugged construction in an open work envelope makes Snap easy to implement in virtually any manufacturing setting. To apply the best illumination for a variety of feature types and materials, Snap systems come with a collimated LED sub-stage profile light, coaxial through-the-lens surface light, and a programmable 8-sector monochromatic ring light that lets you measure details from every angle. All Snap systems are easy to use and make measurements simple. Simply place the parts on the stage and click the Go button. Snap scans the stage and identifies all visible parts. For those that have already been registered, Auto ID automatically opens the measurement routine and measures the part regardless of its orientation, eliminating the need for complex fixturing. For parts not yet registered, Snap Feature extracts all discernible features and displays results right on the video image. They can be viewed with no further action, or the features can be turned into measured steps for a program. Snap systems with moving stages provide the flexibility of 2 built-in optical magnifications. A 100mm low mag field of view allows for entire parts to be seen at once. The multiple high mag lens options increase optical precision for measuring very small features. The internal patented accucentric reticle confirms optical calibration automatically when switching between the magnifications. Optional motorized rotary indexers automatically rotate parts to bring features into view for measurement. Snap systems are compatible with multiple software applications, allowing you to choose the one that's right for you. SnapX measurement software provides the user with a simple yet powerful interface with a full range of feature measurements with or without a pre-programmed routine. For simple checks, live video images can be compared directly with a CAD overlay as with an optical comparator, but with much greater resolution. For further interrogation after measurement, SnapX gives the user the ability to analyze basic GD&T requirements, such as profile or true position. Zone 3 is a fast, capable, and easy-to-use measurement software, perfect for a production environment. Full field parallel processing, combined with intelligent routine optimization, can be used to measure as many features as can be seen simultaneously. Zone 3 uses ASME Y14.5 and ISO 1101 standards for GD&T, and results can be output graphically to truly visualize the result. Thanks for taking the time to look at these innovative Snap systems with me. You can get more info by heading over to our website, ogpnet.com, or by contacting your local OGP representative. Have a great day.